Hello all, welcome to our channel Way to Know. In this series of videos, we will talk about STM32F411 evaluation board. So this board is called a Nucleo board as well. So STM32 is one of the popular microcontroller used by engineers worldwide, whether it be any hobby project or whether it be any engineering project. STM32 is one of the uh, good choice for your project. So in this video we will explore about the Nucleo board. The first part of this video talks about the features of the Nucleo board. So if you see this particular board, the Nucleo board has STM32F411 microcontroller, which basically is a Cortex M4 microcontroller. So this is a ARM based microcontroller, and this particular board is used by several engineers in their projects, and this is one of the most popular boards, and some people call it a whiteboard as well. In this particular board, STM32F411 microcontroller is mounted, which is present here at the center of the board, and this particular microcontroller here has around 512 KB of flash memory and 128 KB of SRAM, which is sufficient enough to develop embedded applications. And this particular board also has a debugger on board, which is STM32 Link V2. So this particular debugger helps us to avoid buying any external debuggers. So considering that you have the microcontroller and its respective debugger as well on board, this definitely should be a popular choice, right? And then this particular board has a very good expansion capabilities. You see here these black connectors. If you see, these look very similar to the Arduino pinouts, right, or the Arduino board connector, whatever we have on Arduino. So this particular expansion header is actually an expansion board for Arduino boards, and you can actually connect any Arduino compatible boards or any wireless boards on this particular Arduino V3 connectivity option. And then you have connectors here which are basically bug sticks. You can see this particular connector and this particular connector. These two connectors are basically bug sticks, right? And these are used for checking the various pin capabilities of this particular STM32 microcontroller. So if you want a GPIO, if you want to connect LED, if you want to connect any external device, LCD, anything, whatever the peripheral that you want to connect, you can use these connectors. And STM refers this particular connector with a name called Morpho extension. So if you are using this particular board, you have to call them as Morpho extension, and this is the terminology that is used in the STM32 Nucleo board. And the best part of this board is there are several tutorials available, and there are engineers worldwide using this particular board, and you can use it conveniently without much hiccups. So we'll start our journey in the next series of videos. This is a basic introduction. Let us jump into it in the next videos. Keep visiting our channel. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.